or welcome to my channel. My name is Sankta and welcome to another vlog. So this is the Thailand vlog. So basically, for context, we have come on a trip to Thailand and I'm gonna vlog it up because obviously that's what like YouTubers do. The plan is right now to go to 7-Eleven, but like after that I don't know what the plan is, so I think it's gonna be very like impromptu on the spot. Okay, so now I've had like the food and everything. We got lost for a bit, like my parents got lost, but anyways we found them. And now I'm gonna go to 7-Eleven, and my only like motivation and excitement for going to 7-Eleven is the ice cream. Okay, so this is what I've gotten. Okay, so I am back and my hair is wrecked, so I've tied it up. Basically, I'm just gonna quickly like take a shower, change up, and then me and Gucci are gonna watch a movie. Okay, so we've come here to eat at this like really cute little like restaurant situation, and we've ordered like some stir fry and stuff like that. So yeah, we're gonna eat and then we're gonna go to the miniature place that we had originally come for. You know, these places feel like, you know how as a kid we used to play those restaurant games where there were like 6-7 tables and then you had to like serve food on time and make it live and stuff. It literally feels like I'm in one of those games right now. Okay, so I've realized that no one around me clicks good pictures, so my Instagram game is going down anyways. Okay, so now we've come to the Nongnuch garden thing, and honestly, वो खाने के बाद ना जो नींद आ रही है तगड़ी वाली. Also, as we can see, I've just given up on like style at this point of my hair because I'm tying it in a bun, then I'm tying it in a pony, then I'm opening it up, whatever, because I don't care anymore because I've realized that this place is not for me. Guys, I finally found my dream car. This is literally everything I want in a car. So good. I am sorry, but I have a horrible joke. What if like an auto converted to a super cool car? This is what it would become. Honestly, there are so many cars here, but my heart is set on the pink one. It's just so cute. Look at them fighting for me. So sweet. I would honestly rate the sticky rice and mango thing a -100 out of 10. I wanted to pee so bad, and oh, the joys of finding a washroom finally. Okay, so we finally entered and I've tied my hair into like a ponytail because I cannot stand this heat. It is like Mai ki garmi. If you stand in the heat or outside for like 5 minutes, you'll be all sweaty. Even this Anaconda has a song on it by Nicki Minaj, but I don't. Guys, capybara is just so cute. Honestly, I didn't know like such an animal existed before I got like a cute little keychain from Miniso of a capybara. And all my friends were like, oh, capybara. I'm like, what the hell is a capybara? And then they were like, you don't know what a capybara is? And I'm like, oh yeah, I just forgot. I didn't forget. I didn't know what a capybara was. Guys, I think I found my favorite animal ever. Mr. Loba. Honestly, an ostrich को देख के मेरे को टूनपुर का सुपर हीरो की याद आ रही है. Also, there are like cute little illustrations of whatever like the animals are there inside, which is just so cute. Not that I'm like stopping and reading any of these, but still. Even the elephants are cleaning themselves up, so this is your sign to go and take a shower. Okay, so basically this place is like an open zoo, so like a forest, and then there are like roads made in the middle, and that's how you see the animals. और ये हमारा red panda. Guys, these paintings are so cute. Guys, after all these years, I realized the koalas are the ones who are living the real life. And then these bunch of people were very kind to give us a lift to the top of the forest. Hello! So basically we are late, otherwise usually this is like a big gate which is locked right now, and like here's the place from where the feeding of the animals happen. Okay, so basically we've come to the same place where we had eaten yesterday. Right now it's not like that busy of an hour, but we've come to the same place because we loved it so much. Even though like the place we're staying at, our hotel is like way far from this place, we still chose to drive all the way and come here for the food. If I ever come back here, I am definitely going to that place again. Like yeah, the place is amazing. It's like probably one of the best food things I've ever eaten in my entire life. And if you ever come to Pattaya, if thoda sa like दूर भी पड़ जाए तो भी please come to this place. It's amazing. So yeah.